31 minus 1 equals 30. 31 minus 1 equals 30. And 30 times 30 equals 900. But this answer is not right. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, we also have multiplication operator present, and we also have parenthesis present. According to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else, so we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 31 minus 1, that gives us 30. Our expression simplifies to 31 minus 1 times 30. Now we have two operators present, subtraction and multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this multiplication first. 1 times 30, that gives us 30, and finally 31 minus 30 equals 1, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.